Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, as you know, TCS examination is going to start from 15th of August onwards. Also, you can see here my exam is on 19th of August in center. So that is the reason we have brought here TCS NQT mock test. So this is the first mock test here where we are covering aptitude problems. You will be given 10 questions and you have to solve all the 10 questions in 10 minutes. Now, all the questions has been asked in the TCS examination and are very important. Even you might find basically some question repeated or similar pattern of the question in the examination. So please solve and attempt all the questions. And first you try to attempt it by yourself and then only you watch the solution. All questions are very important and might get repeated or similar pattern questions will be asked in your examination. All question has been asked in the TCS 2022 exam. You might have seen this kind of questions coming in the examination repeatedly, right? Okay, now next, the last point here what I wanted to communicate to you is, so please do not expect me to solve in 10 minutes because I need to explain everything to one and all. I mean, there are many students who will be watching or who are very new to aptitude or TCS pattern. So they should be also able to understand. So I will be taking time to solve the question. So please do not say in the comments that, sir, you are only taking more than 10 minutes to solve. How are you expecting us? Okay. Now, the next is we will be starting with the question. But before that, I wanted to tell you something, friends. So I am very much happy and I wanted to thank all of the 400k family members. So it's not a subscriber for me. So you all are family member. Whatever I am today, all because of you guys. So I wanted to thank you from bottom of my heart. And if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. Also, I have put some videos on TCS NQT, figure based problems, TCS last minute tips, and all those things. So please subscribe to the channel and also click on bell icon. Next, so problem number one, find the mode of the following 45 observation. So friends, this is a question from the statistics, and multiple times I have told you statistics is one of the very important topic for your TCS examination. Okay, now, so in statistics mainly you will be able to find mean, mode, and median. Here you have to calculate mode. Mode is nothing but, right, so occurred more number of times in the given observation. Occurred more, occurred or seen more number of times, in a simple words, more number of times in the given observation. In the observation, right? In the observation is nothing but your mode. Okay. Now, so here 45 observation has been given and there are four options. So you have to find out which option is occurred more number of times. So 80, how many times you are able to see 80? So 80 I could see here once and 80 I could see here once. So 80 is occurred two times in the given observation. Then 74. So one time here, two times, and then three times, and then four times. Friends, if I miss somewhere, you need to add it. I'm telling you. And then 95. So 95 one time here, and then one time here, and then 95 I am not able to see again. So 95 has been seen or 95 has occurred only two times in the given observation. Then 96, one time, two time, and then three times, and then four times, and then fifth time, and then sixth time. So 96 has been seen six times. So now, so what will be the mode? What will be your answer? Your answer will be definitely option D, 96, because 96 has occurred more number of times, six times in the observation. Okay. Now, so question number one is done. This was a TCS 2022 question. Question number two. So slowly, the level of the question will also increase. So don't think all the questions will be very simple, because the question number three is one of the very good question asked in TCS exam. So select the option that is related to the third number in the same way as second number is related to the first number. So we have 6 and then we have 220. Okay, and then we have 9 and 1. So now this you have to find it out. So what is the pattern? So we know 6 cube. 6 cube, my dear friends, will be 216. And if we'll add 4 to it, it will become 220. So here 9 is there, so 9 cube. So basically 6 cube plus 4. So 9 cube plus 4. So 9 cube will be 729 plus 4. It will be 733. Friends, I also request everyone, please put the time in the comment section that how much time you took to solve this 10 question. It's a request to everyone. Now question number 3. So question number 2, you should not have any doubt. Moving towards question number 3, first you try to solve it by yourself. So if a comma b comma c are the sum of the factors of the numbers 25, so we have 25, okay, and then we have 36, and then we have 48. Please try to understand it carefully. I will explain everything from the basics. If a, b, c are the sum of the factors of the number 25, 36, and 48 respectively, then the value of a plus b into c is no problem. We will try to solve it. So what is the factors of 25? Okay, now, so friends, 25 will be divisible by 1, 25 will be divisible by 5, and 25 will be divisible by 25 itself. So these are the factors of 25. Okay, now 36. 36 will be divisible by 1, 36 will be divisible by 2, then 36 will be divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 18, 19, 20, no, and then it will be 36. So 36 will be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, sorry, 6, 9, 12, 18, and 36. Similarly, 48. So it will be divisible by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24, and then 48. So these are the factors of 25, 36, and 48. Now, a is nothing but sum of factors. So sum of factors means what? 1 plus 5 plus 25. So this will be nothing but the sum of factor, which will be 31. Similarly, you need to write add this. So I will be using calculator, because when TCS provides you calculator, then why simply you are going to waste your time? Okay, see, 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, and 6 plus 4 is 10. So this will give you 10, and this will give you 10. Okay, and this will give you definitely 18 plus 12. See, I'm just trying to add it in a simple way. So 18 plus 12 will be 30, and this uh, uh, the 9 plus 6 will be 15, and this is 10, and this is nothing but 36. Okay, so 10 plus 15, 25, and 25 plus 30, 55, right? So 55 plus 36, so 6, 5, 11, and 8, 1, 9, 91. Okay, so it will be 91. Then the last one. So the last one, if you try to see, then this is 10, and 24 plus 16 will be 40, 40 and 10, and 48 plus 12. So 48 plus 12 will be, my dear friend, 60, and this will be nothing but 14. Easy sum. So 100, and this will be 110, and it will be 124. That's all. So a plus b, so 31 plus 91 into 124. So it is 122 into 124. 4 into 2 will be 8. So the last digit will be 8. Option C will be the correct answer. But if you wanted to check with the calculator, you can also check with the calculator, because there is no need of multiplying everything. So 15128, that means option 3 will become the correct answer. So factors, first you do factor. Okay, so first you do factor. Factor means 25. So 25 factors, 25 will be divisible by 1, 25 will be divisible by 5, 25 will be divisible by 25. Like this, first you find out the factor, and then you add it. So you will be getting A, you will be getting B, and you will be getting C. Okay, unnecessary, do not use calculator till it is not required. Okay, now the next question. So you can see this is numerical ability question asked in the TCS exam itself. Okay, fine. So if this divided by this, so there are so many things are there. So let us try to resolve it one by one. First you try to solve it by yourself. 4 into 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9 by 4 divided by, okay, and then see board mass also you have to understand. So what is board mass? You need to understand. Okay, now so bracket of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. So 4 1 ja 4 and 1 5 by 4 minus x into. So this bracket you have to solve. Okay, but before division you have off. So 3 3s are. So this will become 3 by 4 divided by 6 by 5, right? So 3 3s are, so 3 into 2 6 by 5 will be equal to 3 by 20. See, the problem will be simple if you know what is board mass. So basically you have to find out the value of x here, right? Okay, so again 9 by 4 I will write divided by, so this will become 5 by 4 minus x into, so 3 by 4. So if it is in division and if you will convert into multiplication, then it will just reverse. Okay, so it will just reverse, will be equal to 3 by 20. So and then again 3 2s are, I am doing it very slow friends, please try to understand that, everybody should be able to understand. And now so I will be having here 9 by 4 divided by, okay, so 5 by 4 minus, so this will become 5x and divided by 8. Agreed? So because 5 into x and 4 into 2 8x will be equal to 3 by 20. It is becoming smaller now, right? Okay, then 9 by 4 divided by, let me take the LCM. So LCM of 4 8 will be 8, 4 2s are 10 minus 8 1 are 5 of x will be equal to 3 by 20. Now, if I will, so here it is division. So if I will change to multiplication, so 9 by 4 into 8 divided by, say division, if you are changing to multiplication, it will just become reverse. 10 minus 5 of x will be equal to 3 by 20. Now you see 4 2s are and 3 will divide this by 3 times. So 3 3s are, okay, fine. So 3 into 2 is 6. And from here you take 5 common. So 2 minus of x will be equal to 1 by 20. 5 will divide this by 4 times. So 6 4 jar 24 will be equal to 2 minus x. X you bring it this side. So 2 minus 24 will be equal to minus 22. And obviously option C will become the correct answer. Now, many of you will tell, sir, it is taking time. Friends, I will tell you, it is not taking time. Many of the things which I have written, see, I am simply dragging it. Why should I write this? Here only I know 6 by 5. So in the next step, I know if I will do the multiplication, it will become 5 by 6. So many of the steps which are there here, you do not even have to write down. Okay, so you need to understand what is board mass, and then easily you will be able to solve. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment box. Okay, because these are the question which you will be expecting in your examination. Okay, so this is based on surds and indices. So again, this is based on surds and indices, and this will be a part of simplification problem. Okay, now I'm sorry. So if x is equals to this divided by this into this, then square root of x is equals to, remember board mass, right? So always remember board mass. Okay, now so let us try to solve this. Before that, I wanted to tell you, sir, how many things you wanted to tell us. See, these are the things, if you don't know, then please know. So if a to the power minus 1, you can also write 1 by a. A to the power minus 1, you can also write 1 by a. So here you have 4, okay, and then can I write it like this, 64 square? Yes, if we have a to the power minus 2, then you can write 1 by a square. So let us solve 1 by 1 now. So then I can write 4, and this part I am solving it. So 1 by 64 square, so 64 into 64. I can also write this 4, 4 is in square, right? So this is not basically square root. So this is see, square root will be there, cube root will be there. So here fourth power is there basically, right? So fourth root is there. So basically you can say, sir, this is fourth root. Okay. Now, so, and then you can write 1 by 8, 64, 8 into 8 into 8 into 8. So 2, 64 and then 64. Now, because here it is 4, so we will be getting 1 by 8. Because here it is fourth root of 1 by 8, 8 4 times. So you will be getting 1 by 8. See, basically what happens. So you can also write like this. So this. So fourth root means you can represent it like this. Okay, now. So here this is, you are having 1 by 8 to the power 4 into 1 by 4. So this and this will get cancelled. So this is the idea behind that. So this one we solved, we are getting 1 by 8. Now, so divided by 81 divided by 36 to the power minus 3 by 2. So division we will keep. Now we will try to solve this. So 19, 9 9 ja and 9 4 ja. So 9 by 4. 9 by 4 I can write 3 by 2 square and to the power minus 3 by 2. So 3 by 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled and it will be minus 3. Okay, now. So I can also write like this, 3 by 2 cube to the power minus 1. So this will become 27 by 8. Okay. So this will become 27 by 8. 27 by 8 and to the power minus 1. Now, if you have minus 1, then just reverse it. So it will become 8 by 27. So this one we got 8 by 27. And 3 to the power minus 3. So 3 to the power minus 3, we can write 1 by 3 to the power 3. So 1 by 27. And this one I can write 1 by 27. Rest of the things we will do it now. Okay, now. So here, sir, this is 1 by 8 into. If it is division and if you are trying to convert into the multiplication, then 27 by 8. Okay, into 1 by 27. So 27 and 27 cancelled. We are getting 1 by 64 is nothing but equal to x. Now, they're asking you to calculate a square root of x. So a square root of x will be equal to 1 by 8. So if we'll do square root on both the side, we will be getting 1 by 8. Option A will become the correct answer. Again, I wanted to say you the same thing because I'm explaining you each and everything considering someone is watching my video for the first time, does not have the basic knowledge or might not be aware of my teaching. So it will take time. But if you are able to solve, well and good, I will be very, very happy. Question number 6. 1 divided by 3 minus 2 root 2. And what is the value of x square minus 6x plus 3? Let me drink some water because I'm not able to speak now. So sorry for the inconvenience in between. Okay, so no problem. So x has been given to you. My dear friends, see, whenever you have a square root in the denominator, see, whenever you get a square root in the denominator, you need to rationalize, otherwise you will not be able to solve the question. Keep that in your mind. How do we rationalize, sir? So whatever you have in the denominator, same thing you write in the numerator just by changing the sign, just by changing the operator sign. So here we have minus, here you make it plus. Okay, so we have rationalized it. Okay, so 3 minus 2 root 2. So we multiplied with 3 plus 2 root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2. So if we will cancel it, you will be getting 1. So it will not have any impact. Then, so x is equals to 3 plus 2 root 2 and divided by 3 minus 2 root 2 into 3 plus 2 root 2. Now you must be knowing a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So now I have 3 plus 2 root 2 and divided by, so a square means 3 square minus 2 root 2 square. Okay, then so 3 plus 2 root 2 divided by 9 minus 2 square is 4 and the square root of 2 into square root of 2 will be 2. 4 into 2 is 8. So finally we will be getting 3 plus 2 root 2. Then now we need to find out x square minus 6x plus 3. See, the first thing which I will tell you, my dear friends, do not get afraid in the exam. Mathematics is a subject, mathematics is a topic, aptitude is a topic which you should enjoy from inside. X square. So 3 plus 2 root 2 square minus 6 into 3 plus 2 root 2 and plus 3 here. Okay, then a square, 3 square is 9, 2 root 2 square. So 2 square is 4 into 2, 8 plus 2ab. So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 into 2 is 12, 12 root 2 minus 6 3 is 18 and minus 6, because minus plus will be minus, 6 2s are 12, 12 root 2 and plus 3. So this and this cancelled. 19 plus 8 is 17, 17 minus 18 will be minus 1 plus 3. So it will give you 2. So option A will become your correct answer. And that's all. Question number 6 is also done. I know this problems is taking time, and see, but intentionally I am not killing your time. Okay, now, so there is some question which will be based on common sense. So there'll be some question which will be based on common sense. Okay, but friends, I can tell you one thing. In this video you are going to learn a lot which you had not knowing till now, or which you had not used till now. That I can guarantee, because these are the questions which are very very good. It will clear lot your concepts. Okay, now, so x is equals to 4th root 6, y is equals to square root of 8, and z is equals to 2 square root of 32. That means square root of 32. Now you have to tell which one is greater than what. So this we will be solving using common sense. Okay, so square root of 8 first we will solve. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8. That means for 2 2, 1 2 will come out, 2 square root of 2. So square root of 2 will be 1.414. So this value will be 2.818, 2.828. So this will be 2.828. Now, square root of 32. If it is square root of 36, it will be 6. If it is square root of 25, it will be 5. So it is a square root of 32. That means it will be somewhere in between. So let us take it as 5.5. You can take it 5.4, you can take it 5.6, does not matter. And then fourth power of 6. Okay, now, so friends, I just wanted to ask you one question. If it is fourth power 16, then what will be the value? 16 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Then it will be 2. But it is fourth power of 6. Okay, it is fourth power of 6. So you can assume maximum value. You can assume maximum value will be 2. If it is 16, then it will be 2. If it is 6, then very much less than 2. So it is less than 2. Now, so I could see Z is the greatest one, and then Y, and then X. So Z is greater than Y is greater than X, option C. See, when the logic based question is there, when the common based question is there, you do not have to find the exact value. Otherwise, what will happen? You will only struggle. Okay, you will only struggle. So you should not do like that. So common sense. This question can be solved only with the common sense, not by getting or finding out their values. Okay, now question number 8. So the selling price of an item after offering 18% discount on its marked price was 287. What was the marked price? So marked price was suppose MP. Now you are offering a discount of 18%. Friends, I have told you multiple times in my video, and now also I'm telling, if there is any kind of loss, if there is any kind of less, if there is any kind of discount in terms of percentage, then you have to write 100 minus that less that discount and divided by 100. So here you have 18% discount, 100 minus 18 by 100. Sir, what if there is a profit? Sir, what if there is a profit? What if there is an increment? In that case, you have to add it to 100 and then divide by 100. Okay, now, so in marked price, when you are giving 18% discount, then the price is becoming 287 rupees. So marked price is equals to, sorry, marked price into 82 divided by 100, right? So 82 plus 18 will be 100, is equals to 287. So MP will be equal to 287 by 82 into 100. So 3 times 3 into 2 is 6, and 3 into 8 is 24. So it will be somewhat around 300. But anyway, calculator will be there when we will be using the calculator in the exam. Okay, So 287 into 100, that means two more zeros, and divided by 82. So divided by 82, that means 350. So 350. So 350, that means this is the correct answer, option C. So if I'm not wrong, 287, I'll do it once more, 287 and divided by 82. So it will be 350. That means marked price was, the price marked on the article was 350, and we gave 18% discount. That means we charge them only 82%. So this also if you try to solve, 5 7 ja 5 2 ja and 41 times, then it will be 287. So option C will become the correct answer. Even I reversed you and then I showed you. I know many of you will comment that, sir, I was able to solve all the questions within 10 minutes. So I know this kind of questions, this kind of comments will definitely come on this video, and I will be waiting for that. And one more thing, if you guys wanted me to do more mock tests, please do comments. I will be doing more mock test for you. But I have a request, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and you can also share with your friends. Thank you. The average weight of four men. So this is a question from the topic average. The average weight of four men increases by 6 kg when one man weighing 120 kg is replaced by another man. What is the weight of the new man? Okay, now, so friends, there were four men were there, M1, M2, M3 and M4. See, I could directly solve this question and I can tell 126 will be the answer just by seeing the question, because this particular question does not need any kind of logic or any kind of, I mean, you need to use pen and paper. No. So there are four person were there. Okay. Now their average weight is increased by 6 kg. See, when we say that average, okay, average weight is increased, when we say average weight is increased, that means everybody weight is increased. Always remember, when we say average weight is increased, average run is increased, average price is increased, then everybody, that means everybody weight has increased by 6 kgs, right? So everybody in age has increased by 6 kgs. I will give you one simple example. Suppose, so you, okay, my name is Pratik, your name is suppose Sanket, and one more is uh, Mayank. Okay, now, so our age is 20, 20, 20. Now, so what will be your average? What will be our average now? So 20 plus, add all three and divide by 3. So 60 by 3. So the average age will be 20. So our average age is nothing but 20 now. Okay, now, so now what happened? Everyone age increased by 3 years. Everyone age increased by 3 years. Okay. So what will be our average now? So average will be 23 plus 23, add everything and divide by the number. So 69 by 3 is 23. So if we say that the average age is increased by 3 years, that means everyone's age is increased by 3 years. So here you are saying average weight of four men increased by 4 kg. That means everyone weight is increased by 6 kg, right? By 6 kg. So what is the total increment? So 6 plus 6, 12, 18 plus total 40, 24 kg has been increased. Okay. Total 24 kg has been increased. Now, so earlier, so one person 102, one person 102 kg, he is replaced. Replaced by what? So definitely we will add 24 to it, 126. That means what happened? 126 kg person, right, came inside, and 102 kg person left. That means total 24 kg increased. 24 kg means everybody 6 kg. So hope this will give you a very fair idea. See, again, I have explained here with all the very basic minute things. Otherwise, directly see 6 kg increasing on 4. So 4 into 6, total 24 kg is increasing. A person 102 kg is replaced by what? So definitely 24 kg increased, 126. Two line answer. But for two line, you need to understand why I am multiplying that. See, that is where experience matter. So if a teacher has more and more experience, he can relate you the to the very basic things, okay, and they can explain you. But somebody just graduated and started teaching, so definitely he will tell you in two lines. But These two lines, see this problem, okay, but what about next problem? If next problem on the little modify, concept is gone. So always basic you need to learn. Basic will only help you in solving aptitude problem. Question number 10, the last question. I request each one of you watching the video, please comment how much time you took to solve all the 10 questions. So Paulo and his friend Paulino are in a queue to withdraw money from an ATM. How many people are there in the queue? Paulo and his friend Paulino are in a queue to withdraw money from an ATM. How many people are there in the queue? So this is a data sufficiency question. Okay. And statements has been given. There are 10 people between Paulino and Paul. There are 10 people between Paulino and Paul. Now, so here there are 10. That means Paulino 1, Paul 1, and in between 10. Okay. But what about, behind Paul, if anyone is there, Paulo, behind and in front of Paulino, if anyone is there, that information has not been given. So statement 1 alone is not sufficient because, see, I am suppose Paulino. So, and behind me, Paulo is there and in between 10. So I am there, Paulo is there in between 10. But what about, in front of me? What about the backside of Paulo? That has been not been given in the statement 2. Statement 1, sorry. And then statement 2. There are 40 people behind Paulo. So there are 40 people behind Paulo and 20 people in front of Paulino. Okay, now it is giving you an idea. So 40 people here, one Paulo and 10 in between, and then one Paulino and then 20. So 21, 31, 32, and 40 is 72. So after using this second statement, you will be able to tell that there are total 72 people are there in the queue. So we need both statements. So statement 1 and 2 together are necessary to answer this particular question. Okay. So friends, I hope this session was quite useful. And trust me, if you do it before your examination, if this kind of sessions, if you do it before your TCS exam, trust me, you are going to do wonder in the examination because these are the concepts which you require. And I have tried to explain here from very much basics. Thank you. If you like the video, then definitely like, share, and comment so that I will be making more and more mock test videos. Thanks once again.